The best exercises to become taller in no time. Are you fed up with short height? Wondering how to increase height fast after 18? Follow all of the steps in this video and you will have the answer. It is all about removing the decompressions on the vertebrae which are developed over time due to gravity and poor posture habits. The height of a human body has influences from multiple factors like environment, hormones, genes, and nutrition. Fighting against these influences is hard, but it's not impossible. If you have a strong determination, you can improve your height even at your mid-20s. Exercising is one of the best ways to increase height and grow taller. Synergize the effect by coupling exercise with a good intake of protein. You can add to your height positively. But before continuing, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to join us on the Reign of Ideas. Now I will explain to you how to increase height with some of the best exercises. Exercise number 1, hanging. Hanging your body with the support of your hands does help you stretch out your muscles. Generally, people hang down in a bar. To take this exercise to increase height an extra mile, do 2 or 3 pull-ups. Don't have a pull-up bar? No problem. Pull up on a tree branch. Make sure your support is sturdy and can take your whole body weight. Steps to follow. Jump up and hang onto the bar. Keep your arms and spine straight. Remain in the position for 30 seconds. Repeat the same at least 3 times daily. Exercise number 2 is puppy pose. This exercise to increase height flexes your spine, leg muscles, and makes your bones grow longer. Start with positioning yourself on all fours, hands and knees, on the mat. Line up your knees with your hips and your hands with your shoulders. Tangle your toes and walk your hands forward a few inches. Stretch your hips backward halfway to your feet and feel a good stretch in the lower body. Hold this position for 60 seconds and then relax. Exercise number 3, Cobra stretch. The Cobra pose stretches muscles in the shoulders, chest, and abdominals while strengthening the spine. Lie on the floor with your face down. Place your palms on the floor under your shoulders. Lift your chin while arching your spine to form an elevated angle. Arch back as far as possible and stay in that position for at least 30 seconds. 5 reps should be good enough to start with the exercise initially. Exercise number 4 is jumping and skipping. If exercising is a tough thing to do, then go for something that helps you have some fun while achieving your fitness goals. The more number of times you jump, the more likely you'll succeed in making your legs longer. Jumping can be done in several ways: trampoline jumping or skipping a rope. Both can help you reach your maximum height. While jumping, make sure both of your legs leave the surface at the exact same time and land on the surface at the same time. Exercise number 5 is side bends. Side bends are great for stretching and sculpting the waist muscles. It strengthens the abs side walls, tightens the core, improves your posture, and stimulates your height. To intensify this exercise, you can make use of dumbbells. Stand vertically with your feet flat on the floor. Bend your body sideways and stretch as far as you can. Hold the position for 30 seconds. Repeat it with the other side of the body. Exercise number 6 is legs up. Raising your legs is a simple and most effective exercise for boosting your height. While performing legs up exercises, your body will be fully extended. During the exercise, your legs go through a strenuous process of stretching, and you'll see a significant improvement in your height. Lie down with your face and palms down. Raise both your legs as high as possible while keeping your feet straight together. Support your back with your hands if required. Repeat the same for about 10 minutes, with each repetition lasting for about 60 seconds. Exercise number 7, wake up stretching. Stretching exercises take your muscles outside their normal range, and they are more effective when you perform them as soon as you wake up. Morning stretching allows the free flowing of the fluid in the intervertebral discs of the spinal cord. If these discs are compressed, then the space between your vertebrae shrinks, which will do no good to your height growth. If the discs expand, then you grow a little bit taller. Extend your arms over your head. Use enough force and stretch to feel the elongation. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, relax your body, and pull again. Start with lying down straight on your back. Extend your arms and legs so as to reach the sky. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds and repeat. Exercise number 8 is glutes and hip bridge. This exercise helps you to improve flexibility in your back. While doing the bridge, you stretch the hip flexors, which helps in elongating your lower back and the back of your thighs. Lie on your back and extend your hands down to grab your ankles. Lift your knees and hips so that you make your body parallel to the floor. Finish by lifting your torso from your hips so that you are stretching out your back. Exercise number 9 is cat-camel back stretch. If you want to grow your height, you don't want to neglect strengthening your back. Cat-camel back stretch is perfect for adding stiffness to your back. Rest on your hands and knees, slowly arch your back so that your spine, lumbar, lower, thoracic, middle, and cervical, upper extend together. Do this slowly and gently. Stay in the position for 3 to 4 seconds and repeat the stretch 5 or 6 times. Exercise number 10, jump squats. Jumping exercises, like jump squats, are one of the best ways to increase the height. It supports the conditioning of the muscles and joints of the lower body and improves the height of the body. Start with a normal standing position with your body facing forward. Lower yourself into the squat by lowering your hips back and down while bending your knees. Drive hard with your legs as you come up out of the squat while initiating a jump. Exercise number 11, downward facing dog. This downward pose resembles that of an upside down alphabet letter V. This exercise helps in strengthening the entire back and elongates your back muscles. Stand up and bend your body such that your hands are at your shoulder width apart and your feet are at hips width apart. Push the floor away and engage the shoulders and the upper body while elongating your tailbone toward the ceiling. Feel a gentle stretch in the arms, shoulders, lats, and spine. Exercise number 12 is side planks. Practice side planks, and in a few days, you will get excited about the amazing looking legs you're going to have. Side planks give a good stretch to your legs, making them slimmer and grow taller. Lie down on your right with your shoulders straight below your neck. Stretch out your legs straight and place your left hand on your left hip. Support your abs while raising your waist off the ground until you reach the level of your right hand. Make your body diagonal to the floor and stay in the position for 30 seconds. Some sports may also help you increase your height. Cycling. If you're in your teens, then it is the right age to start cycling. Exercising during your teens can bring a crucial difference in your height. Teenage is the time when most people attain maximum height. Jogging exercises. Jogging is one exercise to increase height that you can't miss out if you are desperate about making your legs longer. Jogging helps you to grow your leg bones naturally and makes them stronger. Swimming. Swimming enables you to use your legs, body, and arms to the fullest and thus develops muscle strength. The breaststroke is the most suitable swimming style to increase your height. All the best, guys. If you ask, how to increase height by exercise? The answer is simple. Increasing your spine flexibility, building up strength in your spinal muscles, stretching your leg muscles all together, maintains your optimal posture, and effortlessly improves your height. These are my favorite height increasing exercises. I want to hear from you. Which exercises are your favorites and which are you looking forward to doing first? Tell us about it in the comments below. Share this video with those of you who have been dreaming of gaining several inches for ages. Remember to press 2 buttons after watching this video. But hey, don't go anywhere just yet. If you liked the video, you're gonna love our videos about 4-minute workout that replaces high intensity cardio and 7 best exercises for a nice and bigger butt.